the process of making salt from sea salt. So we are going to make the best salt to cook your food from this sea salt. Hey cousins, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm thrilled, I'm excited to be here with me. Thank you so much for being onto my channel. So we are using use the saucepan which you don't normally use because salt is not good in saucepans. Guess what? So here you go. So I get the salt, I put it in the grinder, it grinds itself. After that I put it in on a saucepan, I put it on gas without water. I don't put water, I put it on gas. I stir it for some time until you reach like that's what you want when it is dry. After that I put it here on what in my language we call it what, kasengeja. So I don't know how you call it in your language, cousins, but you put it here and start, let me show you, and you start checking it. Is that how it is called? You start that process. That's how you grow, well, from gas to here. Then you check, you see how it comes out. It becomes neat, grinded, very good, very beautiful. Guys, this is the best way to make salt. It's the best way to make salt. I'm showing you. You see the difference? This one is not done, the other side it is done. It's beautiful. Best salt to use in the kitchen. I'm sure, have you seen it, how the process is? Very beautiful. Just try this at home, cousins, you will not regret it. This is the best salt you can do at your own home, on your comfort zone. Guess what, since I'm going to use it for cooking, it's good in salads. It is good because it dissolves quickly. It is small, so I get the small bucket where I can put it so that it can be preserved for a long period of time. You may see that difference. The other one, it was big with the stones. Now this one, it is small. Yes, because cousins, you need to make this salt because it will make your meals easy. That's it. That's all I can tell you, cousin. Sometimes you just don't need to sit in your comfort zone. Sometimes not everything you have to buy it. Some things you can make them at your home, at your comfort zone. You see how that salt is made? It's the best process you can do while enjoying it. Sometimes you can do like that when the salt is too heavy. If you finish when it is still there, you put it in the grinder again. Grind it one more time, put it on gas. After gas, do like that. That's how the process goes. So it's an amazing journey. So cousins, thank you for watching my video. Let's meet in your kitchen when you're making this wonderful salt. Thank you for watching.